recently there was an off-record briefing that happened with the minister in charge for fuel prices, and he has said that they are in a constant discussion for reduction of petroleum prices with finance ministry. Both centre and states must reduce prices together. There has been no consensus within the GST on bringing in petroleum products under it, but the prices are very high globally, and the government that is working on very hard with oil producing countries to work towards reduction as well. They're trying to reach out to Saudi Arabia, to Russia as well, to try and see how to get a better deal when it comes to those prices. Let's cut across to Sunil Prabhu now, joining us with the very latest on this. Sunil Prabhu, take us through what exactly is the government thinking and what is the strategy at hand to try and reduce these fuel prices. And it's not just fuel prices as of this moment, the price of LPG, the price of oil, all of that seeing a spike.
Well, it's all-encompassing and clearly a cause of concern for the government, and I think everybody is quite keen, one way or the other, to try and resolve this issue. So how are they going to resolve this issue? There are a number of ways. One is already they're speaking to oil-producing countries. The Petroleum Ministry has been in active discussion with Russia, with Saudi Arabia, at the ministerial level, with their counterparts to ensure that the international prices, which are now at nearly 84, 85 per dollar, need to be around to 70, and they're working towards that. Having said that, there is also a clear case, they believe, for reduction, and both the centre and the state must take corrective steps in ensuring that the common man gets some kind of benefit in terms of this high taxation, which we're seeing now at nearly 110, 112 rupees in some parts of the country. So they definitely agree that this needs to be reduced. Also, oil marketing companies are bearing the burden in terms of LPG, in terms of subsidy. That also needs to be addressed. They are working on that to ensure this is addressed at an immediate level, so that oil marketing companies do not bleed. Then, of course, the other issue remains. And is really something that the government will be working to go ahead with exploration to ensure that the country is able to reduce these prices by having, because nearly 85% of our imports come for oil, nearly 50% and above for gas. And it's in that context that a far-reaching consequence needs to be done, because even though there has been an emphasis on clean energy, on green energy, it will take some time before that can be shifted, or that can ultimately take place. Plus, of course, there is energy security, energy parity, all other issues that need to be addressed. So definitely, this is something that needs to be looked in at a global level as well as at a local level. But with the elections due, I think somewhere down the line, the government is working on a war footing to try and address this big cause of concern.
I see. Sunil Prabhu, just a follow-up question over there. A lot of governments, state governments that is, have highlighted constantly how the taxes are higher and central government needs to cut down on their share of taxes as well. But that alone, do you think will manage to solve the problem, or the states will have to do their bit as well as of this point?
I think both will have to do its point. As you're well aware, in the GST, this was attempted to be discussed, but there was a unanimous decision, both centre and state, agreed that this is not the correct time, because there was a Kerala High Court decision for it to be considered in the GST, but everybody understands that nobody wants to touch this, because this is a deal breaker, as I've been pointing out. Whenever any point has been taken up in terms of the GST, states want to have that ad valorem tax that they take to ensure that also their coffers are looked after. The centre is making nearly 32 rupees per litre in terms of prices. So it's in that context that they want to ensure that this is reduced, because ultimately it is you, me and the common man who are suffering. Paying that huge bill in petrol or in diesel has a cascading effect, and of course as LPG prices too. So it's in the same backdrop that the government of India now will understand, because this is a huge cause of concern, especially when you're going in for an election in 5 crucial states. This is something that they know they can't continue, and somebody has to take the lead hopefully the center will take the lead and states will follow by reducing these taxes.